Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how to make these rakhis. I know it's late, but let's go and watch the video. You're gonna enjoy it. First of all, I'm gonna make 4 circles with the D cup which I have in handy. You can take whichever shape you want and work with that. With the first circle, I'm going to draw lines like these. And I'm going to stitch by adding one bead in the middle, and I'm going to fill all the orange beads in this gap like I have shown in the video. In the next triangular space, we're gonna add red beads. We're gonna add orange and red beads alternatively like so. This is it guys, this is how it looks. I'm naming this Rakhi as Motichur Laddu Rakhi. For the next one, I'm gonna add the big size bead in the middle like so, and applying half cut pearls with glue like so, and then applying the pearl chain. Then I'm gonna apply white stone chain as well. We're gonna have to stitch one pearl with one drop pearl like so, and fill the circle. This Rakhi looks so beautiful and also easy to make. You can tie this Rakhi to your Adimutyam brother, that is your pearl brother. For the next Rakhi, I'm gonna add the bigger golden bead in the middle, and around that I'm gonna stitch with golden rounded beads. Apply the glue and stick the kundan beads like shown in the video, and then I'm gonna stitch another round of golden beads. Next we're gonna stick the rhinestone chain around the golden beads, and then I'm gonna stitch this longer golden bead just like how we have done with the previous Rakhi. Sorry guys, ignore my voice, I have cold. After you finish attaching the golden beads, just tie a knot properly and cut the thread. This Rakhi is for people who do not like stitching. Just add the golden bigger bead in the middle and apply the kundan stones around the bigger bead with glue. And then we are gonna attach the pearl rhinestone chain. Just attach the golden beads thread like shown in the video with glue instead of stitching it. Remove the remaining beads and make sure to glue the end of the thread properly. We're gonna end this by attaching just a simple rhinestone chain. And that's it you guys, our Rakhis are done. Only the Motichur Laddu one took so much time. The remaining ones took so less time. We're gonna cut the Rakhis and apply the remaining fabric with glue like shown in the video. This is how it looks. Make sure to add some weight on the Rakhis and dry it overnight. Repeat the same with remaining Rakhis. We're gonna make the shape of the Rakhis on buckram paper and cut it in a circle. Take the thread of your desired length and I'm gonna add this golden thread. Apply some glue on the Rakhi and attach the middle of the thread to the Rakhi and just attach the circled buckram paper. If you have some excess buckram paper or fabric, you can cut it. And that's it. This is how our Rakhi looks. Repeat the same with other Rakhis. You can do any design with the thread. I hope you enjoyed watching this DIY video. And also make sure you try at least one of these Rakhis for this Rakhi. Bye bye guys, have fun for this Rakhi festival and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.